Hello guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. We will be solving the day 31st problem from the Mail Lead Coding Challenge. Given two words, word 1 and word 2, we need to find the minimum number of operations required to convert word 1 to word 2. We have the following three operations permitted on a word. We can insert a character, delete a character, or replace a character. In the first example, we are given two words. The output of the example is 3, which means we can convert word 1 to word 2 by applying three operations. Let's see how we can achieve it. In the given word, we apply these three operations on it. We first replace character H to R. Now we remove the highlighted character R. We then remove the character E. As we have converted word 1 to 2 in 3 steps, we return 3. Let's see how we can achieve it through dynamic programming. We will initialize a matrix of length 1 greater than the length of both strings. This is done so we take into account if any of the two string is null. Now we will fill the matrix. A null or empty string can be converted to a null string by applying 0 operations. So we update the value to 0. Moving on to the next character, a null string can be converted to character R by applying 1 operation. So we update 1 into the column. Similarly, we will fill the rest of the columns against null row. Again, applying the same logic on the null column, we fill the rows. To convert character H to R, we need to apply one operation, which is to replace H to R. So we update the value in the cell. As the next character is also not equal to H, we need to convert string H to RO. We need to perform two operations on it. So we update the same in the matrix. Going forward with the same approach, we fill the first row. Now coming to second row, we need to convert string HO to R. Now we will see how we fill the value programmatically. The three values adjacent to the current column denotes these three transformations. We are taking minimum of all three because the minimum denotes the closest pair resembling the current pair. The highlighted pair is the closest, so we take its number of the operations and add 1 to it, which gives us 2. Now, what if the value is equal? In that case, we simply take the diagonal value and update it into the cell. Because we do not need to perform operation on this character and diagonal value is the value of operations needed before that character. The next character is not equal, so we take the minimum of 3 adjacent values and add 1 to it. We continue doing the same for every row and column till we reach the last cell. If we encounter equal character, then we update the cell with the diagonal value, and if not, then we update it with 1 plus the minimum of value in 3 directions. The value at the last cell is our answer. Now writing this down into an algorithm, it will look like this. We will initialize a 2D array of size length of string 1 plus 1 and length of string 2 plus 1. We will then fill first row and column with the index. Now we will loop from left to right, top to bottom. If character at I minus 1 in string 1 is equal to character at j minus 1 in string 2, then we simply update the value in matrix at I, j with its diagonal cell. Else we will update its value with 1 plus the minimum of top, left and diagonal. In the end, we return the value of the last cell. The time and space complexity will be O of m into n, where m and n are the length of the strings. Here is the actual code snippet from the method. Also check out the link to the Java code in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. Check out link to the Java code in the description below. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Check out my other videos for more interview problems. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the video. And also, if you want me to make a video on one of your problem statement, do comment.